Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, power key plus volume down, and that's how you can take screenshots. So when you're done taking screenshots, you can find them in albums, in the special screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.